Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Assess Chapter 4 Assessment. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. I am handling many student courses on MATLAB, Pearson, Cengage, Mintap, MC, Grohill, Similar, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And we will deal for this complete course. I will do your all assignments project, all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. Okay, let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. First, we will go to MATLAB Pearson and go to Assess Chapter 4 Assessment. We will open our assessment and download files in our PC download folder. Click on download materials button, click on download all files button. All file will be downloaded in our PC download folder. Go to download folder. First we will open our instruction file. Click on enable editing button. So the title of assignment is here. You can focus on title of assignment Exp19 Assess Chapter 4 ML1 Hotel Chain. I have increased the font size and highlight this title for a proper view in my video. So increase the font size of instruction. My art student will be read easily in my video. under this title you can see project description to get idea about your project. So moving on, question number 1. Question number 1 is that start assess, open the downloaded assess file name Exp19 assess chapter 4 ML1 rewards ACCDB. Creator has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Save the file to the location where you are storing your files. Okay, basically in this question we will have to download assess file from Pearson ATLab dashboard portal. Okay, you can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. Now I'm going to open my assess file. Okay, cross this. So moving on, next question is question number 2. Question number 2 has 10 points. You can see on my laptop screen. The question number 2 is that select the members table and create a multiple atoms form. Save the form as maintain members. Select the members table first. Go to assess file. Double click on members table. Click on members table. Member table will be selected and create a multiple atom forms. Go to the create tab in the forms group. Go to more form option. Click on multiple atom button. So multiple atom form will be created. Save the form as maintain members. Okay, right click on members form, right click on this, click on save button. Save this form as maintain members name, click on OK button. Okay, this question is done now. So we will move on to question number 3 of this assignment. In layout view, change the mem number label to mem id and use the property sheet to reduce the mem number column width to 0.6 inches. First point is that we will go to the layout view. In the layout view, then change the mem number label to mem id. Okay. In the layout view, go to the form layout design tab. In the view group, click on view button, click on layout view. So change the mem number label to mem id. We will copy this mem id and we will change the mem number label. Okay, click on this box and we will change this mem number to mem id. Okay, press enter. So and use the property sheet to reduce the mem number column width to 0.6 inches. Okay, go to the form layout design tab in the tools group, click on property sheet button. Click on property sheet button. So sheet property sheet to reduce the mem number column width to 0.6 inches. Mem number column to 0.6 inches. Where is mem number column? Mem number column width to, this is the mem number column width to 0.6 inches. Okay, width, click on the column width is here. We will type 0.6 inches. Okay, so this question is done. Now moving on, next question is question number 4. In question number 4, change the width of the last name, first name, city and phone field to 1.25 inches. Change the width of the state and zip field to 0.75 inches. And change the width of address field to 1.75 inches. Delete the form icon in the form header. The first point is that change the width of the last name, first name, city and phone field to 1.25 inches. We will select last name, first name, city and phone. Last name, okay, width to 0.75 inches, width is 1.25 inches, really sorry, 1.25 inches. Last name and first name, city and phone. So we will select first name and go to the column width. We will change width to 1.25 inches. Okay, so we will select city and phone. Select city, go to the width box. In the property sheet width box, we will select 1.25 inches. So we will select next phone column and we will set the width to 1.25 inches. 1.25 inches. Okay, change the width of the state and zip field to 7.5. We will change the width of state and zip field. We will select the state field and we will set the width to 0.75 inches. Width in the property sheet, we will set the width to 0.75 inches. State and zip field, we will select zip field. In the property sheet, click on the width box and we will set the width to 0.75 inches. Okay, the next is that, and change the width of address field to 1.75. We will select address field. Where is address field? Here is address field. Select address field, go to the property sheet. In the width box, we will select 1.75 inches. Width is 1.75 inches. Okay, this is good now. So moving on, next point, delete the form icon in the form header. Delete the form icon in the form header. Okay. Okay, we will select this form icon and click on delete button. This form icon will be deleted in the form header. So moving on, question number 5. Change the sort order of member since control so that the members who joined most recently are displayed first. Okay, change the sort of, okay, we will go to the form layout design in the view group, click on view button, click on design view and go to the home tab. In the view group, again click on layout view, sorry. We will select member since field. We will select change the sort order of the member since control so that the member who joined most recently are displayed first. Go to the Arrange tab. 1 second. Once again, really sorry for waiting. Okay, we will membership, select membership, sense, and go to the home tab. In the sort and filter group, click on descending order button. Okay, so moving on, question number 6. Click the last name field and change the control padding to white. Hint search control padding in the tell me box, save and close the form. Click the last name field and change the control padding to white. We will select last field and change the control padding to white. We will go to the search box. We will select control padding to white. We will search control padding. Okay, in the search we will select search control padding. In search we will search control padding. Search box we will select control padding. Okay, so we will select wide. You can see on my laptop screen I have searched in the search box control padding, so I am going to select wide. Okay, so save this maintain members form, save and close this. You can see I have done 6 questions of this assignment in my video. Total question is 12. I have done 60 to 70% of this assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. I just show you 6 questions in my video, but I have done this complete assignment for my student. Now I am going to submit my assignment. I have done this complete assignment for my student. Now I am going to save this file and then I will upload on my Pearson portal and I will show my grade. Okay, click on OK. Go to save, click on save as, save as. I am going to save this file on desktop. Click on OK. So go to MultiLab Pearson, click on upload file and submit for grading. Go to desktop and I will select this file. Click on open button.